Now, this is one Western Digital real case study for one user from India. Now we can see his pension drive is undetected, and the family is FB9. The PCB number is 1961, and the user has converted the USB interface to SATA. Now we have disabled this module 2. We just short connect TV9 TV10 and enter the software, and then back up the pension ROM. Next we disable module 2, and then we can re-enter the software, and auto get detail. We can see the pension drive has been partially detected now. So at this time, for this kind of Western Digital portable drives, it's very common that the drive has some snow issue, so we need to use the snow fix for this traditional Western Digital pension drive. We need to select this ABM mode to repair the snow issue. Now we can see that this common repair for slow fix has been done. Okay, now let's try to test if there are some other firmware module failure. Because we have disabled module 2, so we can untick this one, and then we can test the selected ID ID mode. So let's see if other modules are damaged or not. So it seems okay for all other modules, so we can stop, click stop. And at this time we can go to ROM operations, click enable module 2, and in the knock window we can see setting success. At this time we can go to execute and firmware restart, and we need to wait a little bit until the drive gets ready again. At this time we can see the drive auto get detail, so the drive is now repaired and it's properly detected, and we can see this is a hard drive ID and the capacity of them are correct now. Now let's try to go to hex, and in the hex window we can check the LBA. So LBA is 0, this is the sector 0, and we can check this is the sector 0 and 5588. Now let's go to the DFL control panel. So the pension Western Digital drive is connected to the SATA 0 port. We need to open the DFL DDP data recovery software to check the SATA 0 pension drive to see if the last partitions and folders are accessible or not. Now we have switched to the DDP, this data recovery software. We can click new project and click next, file extraction. Okay, so we have found out this is the last partition and all the folders and files. So that means the drive has been perfectly repaired and recovered. And this is the remote support for this client. Now the client can extract the lost data directly. And remote support is very helpful for all new users, especially those who are new to data recovery field. And users just need to use our Dolphin data recovery remote system and fill in those case information. Okay, thank you for watching the video.